You have been summoned to go on a sexual journey in Tepoztlan, Mexico. This retreat is different because it's an experience, it's a discovery. You're actually gonna go to Mexico and discover Mexico's sensual side while deepening the connection with your partner. Your journey for sexual renewal takes place in the magical space of Tepoztlan. This largely undiscovered town boasts one of the most beautiful mountain hideaways in Mexico. Unknown to most, Tepoztlan is a mecca for spiritual sexual energy, since the pyramid that overlooks the town is a temple that honors the gods of hedonism. Our sexual sanctuary is nestled in a holistic, luxurious, mystical spa situated in the slopes of the mighty Tepozteco mountain. Every corner of this magical place will tempt you to sexplore your desires and allow you to retreat into a sensual oasis of eroticism. Your days will be filled with sexual wisdom as you are guided daily by your sexual guru, a board-certified sexologist, in our unique hands-on workshops. Our program has been specifically developed to improve your sex, deepen your connections, and take your relationship to the next level. You will learn tools to make you more skilled and better lovers. Your nights will be magical as you participate in erotic, tantric, Taoist, and pre-Hispanic sensual rituals that teach you about ancient sexual wisdom. You will have the opportunity to connect with other like-minded couples in our tantalizing salons. We will provide you with nourishment for the heart, soul, and body. You will be offered healthy and scrumptious food that is based on specialized custom Aphrodisiac menus that will inspire you to sexplore. Our retreat focuses on the connection between land, body, and spirit. We want you to unravel, to distance yourselves from incessant distractions, and to prepare yourselves to be open to receive the full extent of the profound sexual power within you. Let us guide you as you bring into your lives pre-Hispanic traditions of sexual rituals devoted to life, death, and rebirth. I can't wait to see you there. I can't wait to work with you. I can't wait to create more connections. Surrender your daily routine, embark on a journey, and retreat to a sexual sanctuary where your needs are catered for and your desires nurtured.